Hey, welcome back to my channel. Your go-to spot for the latest tech tips and tricks. Today we are diving into something we all care about: privacy. We all have personal photos on our iPhones that we want to keep private, whether it is for safeguarding personal moments or keeping things away from prying eyes. The good news is that with a few easy steps, you can look your photos and keep them for your eyes only. So let's dive in it. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using a strong Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I am using my strong Wi-Fi connection. So let's start again. And the next option is you have to go to the settings and scroll down, and here is option general. Click on that and software update. Guys, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of software. An old version of software is not good for this. Then go back again, go all the way back, and here is an option, an app shortcut. You have to click on shortcut. Okay, shortcut, and here is an option on the right corner, plus options. You have to type on it. Okay, and then here is search bar. You have to type here lock screen, LOCK, lock screen. Here is showing lock screen. You have to type on it. Okay, then click on done at the right corner. Yes, this is done, and type on lock screen. Okay, done. And here is an options automations. You have to click on automation. Okay, and new automations, you have to tap on new automations once you have did it, and then scroll down. There will be app options. You have to click on that. This is app, and you have to tap on app. Okay, and click on choose, tap on choose, scroll down, and you have to find your photos. Scroll down, and here is photos. You have to select this photos app and done. And here is run immediately. You have to toggle it on. After doing that, you have to click on the next on the right corner, and then click on lock screens. Okay, it has been done, and now check that. Yes, photos, as you can see, it is asking for the password. Whenever you will open your photos, or anyone will open your photos, your phone will ask for the password, and as you can see, it is asking for the password again and again. So this was the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.